I found this really neat product when I was scrolling through Facebook. I saw an ad and I thought this looked really neat. It's called the Worry Plaque, the Irish company fairy door. It's really cool. It lights up. So if you put your hand on it and it's red, it'll change to green and take your worries away. I definitely wanted to get one for my son, you know, to help with his, you know, the anxieties of a 4-year-old. So I thought he'd really like it. So we're going to take a look. It didn't say anywhere on the box, really anywhere on the instructions. Oh, I see a little thing here about batteries. It didn't mention anything about batteries, but it does have a little thing here. It takes AA's. This did not come with the batteries, so I did have to put them in. And it was actually a little tricky getting them in the compartment, but not too bad. So I'm going to reveal this to my son and see how he likes it.
I said the word and then it went away.
Yeah. It says, a fairy's magic changes red to green. Gone are your worries, never to be seen.
That's
right.
awesome.
So it already took that one. Okay, now think of something that worries you, makes you upset. And put your hand.
Something upsets me.
Okay.
When
Take a deep breath.
something upsets me when I see scary things.
See, the fairy took it away.
I don't know
It
what
takes
this
away
says.
your worry, see?
Yeah. Whoa.
And see, it has little hooks so we can put it right on the wall in your bedroom. And anytime you have something's bothering you or you're upset, you just put your hand there. Just relax and you tell the fairies to take it away. And it's gone. See?
Whoa. That upsets me so it can go away. Fairy, please take this away.
She did it.
Yeah, she's in there.
Mm-hmm. Because this is a magical fairy portal.
Yeah, it's a portal.
That's right.
And look, a thumb and a pointer and a...
Because that's where you put your hands.
Yeah.
It's a guide. It is worth noting it does come with the hardware to hang it here. So can't wait to put it up in your bedroom, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, but there's way too many stuff on the wall.
You got a lot of stuff in your bedroom, huh? We'll have to find a special place to put this.
Yeah, in a magical place.
Yeah.
I complete the saving of it. I complete it.
Yeah.
And look, look, it says.
It says
It
worry.
is worry.
Well, what are some of the things that make you worry?
Eating regular food and just getting dessert doesn't make me worried. Time to go read
Sometimes
necklace.
you thought they were monsters. Those make you worry.
Mommy,
Or when you have a nightmare.
Mommy, do you know? I complete the saving of it. I complete it.
Can we hold it here so we can get a good picture with
Yeah.
your nice fairy plaque?
Yeah, I can't wait to
So
hang it up
pretty.
on my
I
wall.
know, right?
Yeah, there's only 2 hangers here, not at the top.
Mm-hmm.
That's interesting.
Can you look over at Mammy, honey? All right, well, definitely check the description section below for more information on this really cute product. And we always
For
appreciate, yeah, for Kaya's. We really appreciate likes, and thank you very much for watching.
No, no, no.